Welcome to Funny Hat TV. Today I am so excited to open 4 brand new Hatchimals. I'm gonna have my sister help me. Let's get started. I'm gonna open the box, okay? I'm gonna open these little ones. I wonder what's gonna be in my eggs. Let's see. I'm gonna take these eggs out now and put them by their nest. I wonder what's gonna be in them. I'm gonna open this egg. I'm gonna open this packet if I can. No, I can't do it. Maybe I'll give it to you. I can open this from this bump. Now I'm gonna take it out. Let's start opening the egg. First you have to rub the heart till it's pink. Mine is opening. What do I have in here? I can hear something. What is this? It's a tiny little cute dog. It's not a dog, it's kangaroos. Does he even look cute? Oh yeah, I think you're right. This is really hard to open. I think I should rub more. Just rub the heart a lot and a lot and a lot, and then push it. Mine is opening again. Push it. I can hear something rattling. Let's see the head. I can hear something rattling. Wow, what do I have here? Whoa! I think it's an ant eagle. What did I get here? Actually, I don't know what this is. It looks like a squirrel. If you know the name of this squirrel, tell us in the comments below. Look what I got. I got ant eagle and kangaroos. What did I get here? Let's open it more. I got a squirrel and what this could be? I think it's a baby dinosaur. It looks like it's a baby dinosaur. Let's open it more. It is a baby dinosaur. Can you help me find this name too? Here's all the Hatchimals we opened today. It's really fun opening them. We love opening Hatchimals. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. See you next time.